Pop, then. Blood on diamond, blood on his flag, blood on his money, blood in his.
What's going? We back with another video. Starting the video at the car wash right now. Finna go drop my car off, but my check engine light came on, it bit popped off. I know it's been a minute since I've been on the camera. Y'all supposed to stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. We're still on the road to 50K. I'm back on my grind, bro. And I'm finna go pull up to this Chevy dealership to drop my car off for the maintenance. So y'all stay tuned. And my check engine light is currently off, so I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get up there. Y'all supposed to let me know what videos y'all want. Y'all let me know if y'all miss your boy, bro. Y'all niggas stay tuned, though. Just clean this bitch out. I'm not finna go out there. Y'all supposed to stay tuned on the Mero. They pulled up, bro. They got a C8 on the lot flow, right? I'm not the only Mero in this bit, though. I first stay tuned, bro. This shit finna get big, twin. My fucking check engine light came out, bro. I had to go see about my car. So y'all first stay tuned, bro. You got that bit right there, boy. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, bro. Y'all stay tuned. So right now, we still currently in the service spot. That shit. Probably finna go look around, see what they got on the lot and shit. Show y'all some videos. But y'all fuck with the kid. Y'all missed the kid. I'm back, bro. Finna drop this shit, bro. Project music, so I won't copyright it. Yeah, man. I'm finna come out with that hot shit. Back to back. Got a surprise coming soon for y'all. I ain't missing too much. The clothing brand is still on the way. I've been working, so y'all folks that been on my dick thinking the nigga ain't been working, bro. I've been working, bro. So don't think a nigga ain't been working, bro. Y'all folks just stay tuned and stay humble and stay down with the grind, bro. The grind. You grinding for that shit, bro. Working for that shit, bro. 9 times out of 10, that shit gonna come. So y'all folks stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Nigga done went from keeping this shit a brick. Nigga done went from driving his own shit. Y'all folks do the same shit, bro. Keep your head up, bro. Stay out the way, bro. Let's see, bro. In the big mirrors, vets and shit, bro. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get up with y'all when I go look at these cars and shit. I'm gonna see what they got in the inside first. Then I'm gonna go look around on the outside and shit. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going. I'm inside. I'm out there. My boy Trav, man. They got that shit in that bit. It's the battery shit. Drop top mirror, that bit. Drop top mirror. How much they want for that bit? 53. 53,000. 53, man. And it's drop top. Nasty. This. Got a bit right. My car in the service. My check engine light had came on. They back there.
What kind of car you got?
Camaro.
Think about
About the end of the year for one of them.
my name is Keisha. Whenever you're ready, just give me a call, okay, baby?
Yes, man. I got you. So I got you. I'm trying to get one of them.
Let's do this then.
I gotta wait till the end of the year. Gotta wait till the end of the year.
Okay. By the end of the year, you'll see the color that you want.
I know everything.
Just let me know when you're ready.
I got you. Black mom. This bitch hard. That boy go fit. 2 TD big cup, 85,000. Bitch horrible. Yeah, your boy finna get one of these bitches soon, bro. Bitch is hard, boy. Bad. I gotta get one of them bitches. Vet. Stay tuned, y'all. Be right back with y'all in a minute. See that fuck over there, nigga now. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm turn out back on in a minute. It's her in there, bro. Auntie in that bit trying to get me for the vet, dawg. For the vet. She done gave me her card and everything. Talking about some come right now, bro. We finna get a vet, bro. I'm sorry to break it to y'all. Like, y'all ain't know, but remember I told y'all that surprise and some more stuff with the clothing brand? Yeah. So if y'all watched it this far in the video, I need y'all to comment down vet. Comment down either Corvette, vet, or C8. By the end of the year, y'all heard me tell her, by the end of the year, nigga, I'ma have one. I'm telling y'all just gotta stay down, bro. Believe in the process, bro. And I'm telling y'all, nigga. Next couple videos, y'all gonna see. I'm looking for a spot, so y'all gonna see I'm finna drop videos about the houses and shit, and then after that, y'all might get a video of a vet, y'all might not, bro. So y'all stay tuned, bro. And turn y'all back on after that. Let me know what they doing. And I still gotta show y'all the other cars on the other side of the dealership. This be so big, bro. They got a used car dealership down the street, and they got another one right here. So y'all stay tuned. For this finished chopping it up, they still looking at my car and shit. So y'all stay tuned. For all the ones talking about some, bro, that nigga got a stolen car. That ain't his car. That's a rental. Woot, woot, woot. If it was a rental or a stolen car, dumbass nigga, I wouldn't be in the fucking Chevy dealership getting my shit worked on, you stupid ass nigga.
Shut your stupid man, shut your bitch ass up.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut your bubblegum dumb looking ass the fuck up.
Shut up, nigga. All y'all niggas dick eating and dick riding, and you ain't gonna be nowhere because you dick eating and dick riding, nigga. So shut up and get off a nigga dick. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Point, man. She came back from the inside. We finna go check the outside out. They got the mirrors over there, bit. Let's go look at these mirrors, bro. Look at these mirrors, bro. I don't want this. We already got this one. We already got that one. We gotta get one of these. If I'm gonna stay in the mirror, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It gotta be one of these. Never mind, this one manual. It gotta be one of these. This the one in the inside. All these bitches manual. This bitch not manual, but this is RS, I think. And finna go look at the used side. They got that vet over there, bit. Got a slingshot in there, bitch, and everything. CO6, fuck. Steam right. This blue hard, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This blue go crazy. With the yellow, them motherfuckers hard. And they got a slingshot. It's the first dealership I ever seen with a slingshot. And another one. 2014, I think it's 2020. Red guts. Them motherfuckers hard. See what they got right there. They got chargers and everything. They got that shit over here. They got another bed over there. God, another mirror. Ooh, they got a Challenger back there. What type of Charger this is? This is a GT. Alright, engine swap that bitch. Buy that bitch, just the engine swap. Ain't getting nothing. 20 racks for your bitch right now, cash. 20 racks get you a goddamn. What year this shit? They don't even say the year. Let me check this out. This bitch is hard though. I ain't gonna lie. GT's hard. Them bitches look like a baby RT or a Scat. It's 2022. And yeah, I get 22 racks. Hell is you saying? Got them X5s out there, bitch. Hyundais. But I've been seeing these bitches. I was thinking like getting one of these bitches. But it's like, why the fuck the door don't open? This bitch gotta be locked. This bitch supposed to pop out. I know about these bitches. This bitch supposed to pop out. It's 2018. 40 racks for this. 40,000 miles on this bitch. I probably want like 35 racks for that bitch. We got Chevy, but they got Challengers and all that up there, bitch. Let me show you how they challenge real quick. This bitch clean as fuck too. This V6 though. Ain't nothing wrong with V6, bro. That nigga stay down. Stay down until you come up, nigga. Ain't nothing wrong with V6. That's really it up here. Y'all first stay tuned though, bro. They got the Cadillac truck. Let me see. Dang, how you a Dodge, but you got Chevy seat? Flow mats. 38,000 miles. 3,800 miles. That bitch ain't even over 10 racks. This is 2020. You can't beat that. This bitch got low miles like a motherfucker. With the wheel lock. Good wheel lock for a fuck nigga. Man, I broke niggas trying to steal 4 cars and shit. Y'all first stay tuned though, bro. I'm finna leave from up here. I just dropped my car. I had to come drive my car service and shit. I just went to see what was on the lot. Try first stay tuned. They got a Benz out there bitch for sale too in the fin. Y'all first stay tuned. Turn y'all back on when I get in the Uber. What's up, YouTube? It's the next day. And I'm finna go up here by Chevy and see about my car. So y'all folks, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what type of video y'all want. Y'all seen yesterday. Until was trying to get in that C8. But had to tell her I gotta wait, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Wait your time. But it's coming, y'all folks. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go up here. Then on some little light shit. I'm a real hoodie. Do the pants. Yeah, folks, stay tuned. I'm gonna turn it back on when I get in the Uber. I'm on the way up there, so y'all stay tuned. I'm on the way out there. I'm gonna go up inside the car and see y'all folks. Let me know what videos and shit y'all want to see. On the way up here. Turn y'all back on and get a little closer. We are 17 minutes away. So y'all stay tuned. Currently 9 minutes away.
In 2.4 miles, take a slight right on Copland.
Challenger right now. Folks, let me know what videos y'all want, bro. The boy is officially back. Back to the YouTuber, my boy. Took a little break, bro. I was thinking about quitting. Doing some other shit, but that was a demo talk. I'm back in the better. Y'all folks stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. My young niggas that's watching, bro, have a hell of a nice one, bro. Stay in school, finish that shit, bro. Get you a legit man, bro. But, right about airport. What is this? This is the airport. Y'all down here in Georgia, bro. Y'all let me know if this is the airport, bro. I don't know what the fuck this shit is. Shit, nigga, hell no. We got school buses. Yeah. That gotta be like an airport or something. What the fuck is that? See, there's 3 bodies in that bitch. Stupid. Nah, ain't no bodies in that. Yeah. That big motherfucker, that bitch was fit, bro. That too. I think that's the government property or something. It's not done anything. But hey, I'm putting nothing past now. Government be working on it too, bro.
Stop it. Get some help.
This shit look like a prison or something, bro. Come take inmates, y'all work over here type shit. I ain't even know that shit. I want to go over there, but too much ball wire. You should be approaching that. I'm gonna tell y'all back on. What the fuck? Nigga, they got folks standing outside like they crossing the border, boy. Oh my mama. And they got a little sniping tower. Y'all niggas ain't slick. They tell me so my car ain't ready right now. It don't look like it's ready. So I'm finna go in the back, go see what they got back there, and see where my car is. Yeah, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 50K. They tell me, nigga, your boy car might be ready. We in that bit, boy. My boys just told me the sauce on how to get them C8s. Boy, y'all niggas is over with, boy. I promise you, nigga, this shit is coming this year, bro. I promise y'all, bro. And thanks to Auntie. Believe it or not, this lady right here, boy, she's something serious. She the truth, John. She the truth. And my boy right here. And bro. Right here, bro. He the truth. Put me out there. They the truth, bro. Y'all come up here, bro. Tell them smooth since y'all, but they gonna look after y'all, get y'all right. Promise y'all, bro. They'll do it to me, why they won't do it with y'all, bro. But y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and turn y'all back on when I get in the car. I'm currently on the way back to the house. Told me I gotta come back at 5 to pick the car. So y'all stay tuned. I'm on the way back to the house. Turn y'all back on. I'm on the way back up to the dealership, so y'all stay tuned. Hey, undercover ass nigga. I just built their spots over there. Finna be pulling up 7 right now, bro. Y'all keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully I get my car today, bro. So y'all keep your fingers crossed. I'm first, chill first, bro.
Turn left, then turn right.
Chevy first. Pretty Chevy right now.
Turn left, then turn left.
I don't even see my car. Yep. Pulling up the Chevy right now. Light shit. Just do some shit on. Pulling in now. By the end of the year, we riding in black trucks.
Turn left, then the drop-off will be on the right. In 80 feet, the drop-off will be on the right.
Let me turn that back on that third one here and see about my car. Appreciate you. But, yeah, see. We here. Yeah, for steaks, man. Bro, like, comment, subscribe. Bro, I'm gonna turn that back on when I get up out of here. We just pull back up here, man. Me and my brother. It's time to go get the car, bro. It's time to go pick up my shit. So I'm finna pick up my car. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, bro. I'm walking back in here. I told y'all I was gonna turn y'all back on when we get up here. Yeah, that's that big buddy. That's what I told DJ we need. We need one of them, DJ. Y'all folks stay tuned. Though. Like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 50K. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. They go Bentley C8. I don't see my car. Actually. Let me go, man. They go Vic. I'm getting one of them, but my word. My car better not still be over here, bro. Bro. My car ain't even, oh, that ain't my car. I was finna say, bro. I ain't even been touched on, bro. I ain't even been touched on, bro. There go the dude right there. That was working with me. But where the fuck is my car? I don't let this nigga know. My car's supposed to be ready. Where the fuck is my car? Get back here. Is it in them? Or my shit done? My shit ain't even back there. In the same spot. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. They go another RS, bro. LT154. I'm fucking hard. Another RS. This is what I want, bro. Big. Y'all stay tuned, though, bro. Tap y'all back in when I see what they talk about my car. But I'll stay tuned. Like, subscribe on the road to 50K. We up here at shit. Oh, your boy gonna come in this bitch soon. That bitch hard, ain't it?
Yeah.
I'd say, hey, well, hop in this bitch. I'm finna hop in the mirror. And she gonna look at her, look at her.
I feel like a fucker.
Yeah, you the only one that's gonna be able to drive this motherfucker. You, goddamn PJ, and Chris, y'all niggas gonna be the only ones. Huh?
No back seat.
No back seat. You see why? That engine back there. That motherfucker valid, bro. That motherfucker valid. Valid. Black with the red stitching. My bad, my bad. With the red stitching. Him.
That shit crazy.
I feel like you in a jet or some shit.
Boy, that bitch is crazy, nigga. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. Man, look at the back of that bitch, nigga. This bitch is so fat, nigga. Y'all fuck stay tuned, boy. Y'all fuck stay tuned, though, bro. And this bitch got the bitch popped. The hood. Brand new, everything in the plastic. How many miles on that bitch? I fuck this stay tuned. It can't be. This is 23. I stay tuned. Bentley. I'm telling y'all, bro. Y'all drop down below how much y'all think they big gonna be. This nigga time out, bro. They gonna want 100.
I ain't going no big. I go double R if I go Bentley.
You right. I go double R too. But guess what? Nigga, we in the Bentley right now, shawty.
Yeah.
The biggest, nigga. This bitch is going for at least 70, 80. This bitch going for a cat
90.
price. This bitch going for a cat price.
90. I guarantee you. 90.
Nah. Hold on. How many miles on the event? Y'all stay tuned. Hold on real quick. That bit back, man. My shit back and better. Hey, you gotta take me a thumbnail. And we pull up to the front. Damn, he scooted my shit up. Hell loose, boy. Y'all hear that shit? Bitch ain't doing nothing though. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get to the spot. Shut up, bro. We gotta take this thumbnail.
If it's ready to get tracked.
We back. I'm probably finna make another video. Me and Tone finna have something in the vault soon, so y'all stay tuned.
What fucking mustache? Fucking ugly.
Shut up, bro. That ain't ugly, bro. I'm finna go vet though,
You
y'all.
one too, bro. That shit is ugly.
Yeah, y'all.
They got a wide body scat over there.
They got some good shit over there, but you know what? They be taxing over there, boy.
That shit in the used there. Right, pretty sure they gonna tax for that bitch. They got a C8 over there too.
Man, that bit look basic, though.
They been playing.
That bit look basic. You see?
That motherfucker fart, bro.
Huh?
That motherfucker fart, bro.
No, bro.
Nah. I'm talking about when you down shift. And that bitch shift, nigga. Like, nigga, pick that bitch fart.
Guys, look at this nigga, bro. Look at that bitch fart. Hey, that bitch biting, boy. That bitch biting, boy. Y'all wanna hear that bitch? Y'all wanna hear that bitch? This nigga so serious. This nigga so serious, y'all. I need some food, bro. Y'all stay tuned, bro. YouTube, you on the square. Be on the way to the house, bro. It's probably gonna wrap up at the end of this video, bro. Your boy got his car back. So that's all that matter. But yeah, bro, we probably finna end the video right here, but y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know all the hood niggas drive on E. Pocket full of money though. Stupid ass. Y'all feel like, comment, subscribe on the road to 50K. And let me know what videos y'all want, bro. Your boy might be back, bro. Told y'all I was thinking about quitting this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I might be back. Might, bro. Ooh, they go with SXT with a what's name on the back. So look at y'all been not wait. That nigga got a V6 with the what's name on the back. That motherfucker hard though, I ain't gonna lie.
Like that shit.
With the what's name on the back? That shit hard.
I
I ain't gonna put that shit on the vet because nigga,
You can't even put it on.
you can't put it on the vet. But if they could, nigga, I'd put that bitch on the vet.
Alright.
Cause you know why?
On the
Vet
C8,
got
that look
the
nice.
C8 got the digital. They got the digital camera, so it wouldn't even.
I ain't gonna count on the C8. That's a body type that it would it
That'll
supposed to
look
go on.
and that bitch will look crazy,
You see what I'm
nigga.
saying? Like that shit just feel like cars that's.
But look, I got another question, y'all. Before I close the video, if I do some miles to this bitch before I give it away, before I go goddamn sell it, would y'all want to see that? Y'all comment down below and let me know, bro. But I'm gone, bro. Y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and nigga, the jokes are on you, dick.